All right, guys, for the last 5 years that I've been creating content, a lot of it has been driven around industrial manufacturing, sales, and marketing, because that's what our main focus was at MFG Tribe. But little did you know, since 2020, we built up another marketing agency that was focused on B2B and B2C, working with small businesses, enterprise clients, and everything in between in specific verticals. And what ended up happening was, instead of having two companies to manage that are basically sharing the same resources and having two separate brands, in April of this year, I merged the two together, and MFG Tribe became a brand within Milan Media for the industrial focus aspect of it. It's been a brand that's been built up over the last 5 to 10 years. A lot of people are aware of it and know it. And that's why a lot of content that I create is around that. But now moving forward, everything's going to be Milan Media or M2, because we want to consolidate and make it easier, not only to manage the content side, but the different niches, the websites, all of our tech stack, and everything in between. So that was the decision for us. So you're going to start seeing a lot more content from me coming out that is going to touch on maybe some pain points that you guys have on the personal side or side businesses that you have, or possibly if you're not in that niche that we were focusing on before from an outbound content standpoint. I can provide you with some value and some actual stuff that you can do today for your business, depending on what type of consulting business you're in, or lawyers, or healthcare, or whatever. So I'm excited for this new path that we're going down here in 2025, and as is the team. And we're going to be creating a lot more cool content going forward, but stick around, and this channel is about to blow up. As always, thank you for watching. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Turn on notifications. Connect with me on LinkedIn. Search me on Instagram, because that thing is starting to pop off. And I'll see you guys in the next one.